Okay, so we're going to go to the MyLab and Mastering Pearson website in order to gain access to the course. We're going to say register because we need access and our student. You need an email address, a course ID, and an access code in order to be able to register here. So I'm going to say OK. I have those three register now. Course ID is the most important thing. That's included in the email that I've sent you. So you put in the course ID for us for the summer 2015 course. The course ID is Formally 32252, and you say continue. Then you have two options. You can either sign in with an account if you already have a Pearson account, or you can create a personal a Pearson account here. So let's sign in with an account that we already have. Okay, I'm going to try using my account. I'm going to say sign in, and it recognized my account. So select an option. Instead of paying the about $96 right now, I have the option of clicking on Get Temporary Access without payment for 14 days. This is what you want to do until you're sure that you're going to stay in this class. I repeat, this is what you want to do because you have free access for 14 days, and before that expiration date, you're going to have to pay with a credit card or obtain a book that has the access code. So I'm going to say Get Temporary Access. It says, are you sure? I say yes. And there was a connection error for me, probably because the account I used, the username wasn't a good one. So it'll get you into the course, hopefully. Let's look at the other option. So after clicking register and putting in the course ID, this Formally 32252 or whatever the course ID may be that I've emailed for that semester, these are again the two options. Instead of using the account I already have, let's say I want to create an account. Some of you may not have an account at all. If you're not sure, you can click this option and they'll search for you whether you have an account or not. So I'm going to say create. You're going to have to fill out all of this information. You're going to have an email address. You have to create a username, a password, your first name, last name, a security question, which is important. So if you forget how to get your password, they can actually give that to you, or reset your password. Once you fill that out, you say accept, create the account. So I went ahead and put my email address. I made a username that I would easily remember along with a password with special characters and numbers and letters. First name, last name, security question I picked, and now I'm going to accept and say create account. And now the account is created successfully, and again it gets me back to the same two options. Do you want to pay right now, or do you want to use the access code that came with the book that you purchased, or get free access? And that's what I would click. Are you sure you want temporary access? I say yes. And it's going to take a moment until it hopefully takes me to the course. Now it says, yep, you're done. Here's your receipt. You might want to print this and have it for your records. And you're ready to go to your course. And once you go to your course, it's our summer class or whatever semester it may be, whatever course ID you use. And we have 14 days until this trial period runs out. You click on Summer A. Announcements is the main page. And you read through that, run the browser check, of course, and then click on Course Map, which collapses and opens up the different weeks. So that's me again, and you read through this, and then you click on week 0, get it done before the start of the semester, if this is a summer or a winter session, because it's fast-paced, or if it's a regular semester, most likely you will just have week 1 on with material to do. So that's how you create an account and you sign in. You can sign out from your account, and then you can sign back in using the username and the password you created.